Alright guys, welcome to our first video on our HTML and CSS crash course. So let's get started already. Now what you have on my screen is VS Code, right? So we're going to go over the installation of VS Code. VS Code is the editor we use for writing code, right? There are other options like Sublime Text. You could use that, but personally I like to use VS Code. So if you want to get VS Code on your system, just head over to your browser and right here on Google, just type in VS Code, right? And just by typing that, the first link that comes up, just click on it or just go straight to download right here. And it's going to take you to the page where you will download VS Code, right? So if you're on Windows, you can download this right on, or you can choose any other operating system that you're working with. If you're working with Linux, you're working with Mac, you can download this also. For me, I'm on Windows, so I'm just going to download this, but I already have it on my system, right? So once you're done downloading it, double click on the file to start installation immediately. And once the installation is complete, open up the file or the app, and this is what you're going to see. It's going to bring you to the welcome screen, the VS Code screen. I'm going to leave the link in the description for you so you can download the VS Code from their website. So next, I'm going to go to my desktop. I'm going to create a new folder right on my desktop. So I'm going to come to new, say folder, and name it HTML and just HTML CSS crash course, right? So that, I hope I spelled it right. Yeah. So all I need to do is to drag this folder and drop it inside VS Code like this, and the folder will now be here. I can maximize, and I don't need to get back into the folder for now. I'm just going to trust the author, say yes, I trust the author, right? So I'm just going to create a new file here to start with. So I'll click on new, right? That's this icon here for new file, and type in the name of the file. So I'm going to call it index.html. Now when you create a file with index.html, the browser will read it. Once you go to a file with .html, the browser will read it like, okay, this is a code, right? So this is the format that the browser can read. Click on URLs to have it created, and now you have your first HTML file.